Hey, good morning. So today I am going to show you a video, a really quick eyeshadow video. You might be able to see I've done one eye. And so I'm just going to demonstrate putting that shadow, getting that effect on the other eye. And today I've used Addiction Palette number 1. So the Mood Struck Addiction palettes have 7 colors and they're a mixture of shimmer and matte in the palette. So, and they're all obviously color matched so that you can get some really nice effects. So in order to do this effect, well actually, where did it go? The first thing I did was I used the eye primer. So you're actually getting 2 product tutorials for the price of 1, yay. Eye primer really helps the colors intensify on your eyelid and staying power. Now personally, I've actually never had a problem with staying power in the first place, but more of it is not necessarily a bad thing. So the eye primer is tinted, just a tiny little bit skin tinted. It's really light, it just goes on your lid. Okay, so getting started. This is the deluxe brush, just a standard brush there, and I'm going to use the second, that color there, which is Sincere, a nice kind of fairly light color. Just blow the end so that you're not then dropping shadow down onto your cheeks. And I'm basically, this is a really, I'm only doing a quick couple of colors today, so basically doing the whole lid with this color right up until, see how I'm getting right up there until the top of my crease. So that whole lid is covered in Sincere. Then we're going to switch brushes and I'm going to grab the crease brush. See the tip of that's quite different. And I'm going to use Swanky, slightly darker but a shimmer. And when I get this on my crease brush, I actually just roll the brush down the center, give it a blow, and I'm only putting this right there, hardly touching, and here in the V. Okay, so we're just defining the edge of your eye there, right up in, so the crease is this part behind your eyeball and your, I guess that would be your skull bone. Right, so the next thing I'm going to grab is my deluxe brush. Sorry. It's not at all, it's the liner shader brush. It's a slightly smaller brush end than the deluxe, and I'm just grabbing a little bit of the brassy, which is the really brassy glitter one, and just a tiny bit in the center. Okay, so we've got lighter in the center of our eye and darker in the outer of our eye, and that's the general principle to make your eyes kind of look open and bigger. Light in the middle and dark at the edge. Okay, so you follow those general principles with any color set and it's a winner. So that's the basic shadow look. What I then did, I mean that would be fine if you just wanted to have your eyelids done like that. I actually then lined it with the other end. See, the liner shader brush is double-sided and this end is really thin and chiseled, so, and angled. And so I'm just scraping it down zealous on the very end there of that palette, and it's amazing, but I never thought I'd better do this, but you can actually just line the top of your lid with the brush and that color, so it turns any color of eyeshadow really into eyeliner with a brush like this. Okay, so there's the liner. The other thing I did just down underneath on my waterline is I used an eyeliner pencil for underneath, and this is Prim, the lighter of the 2 browns that we currently have. So just lining. It's hard to look up and down at the same time. One would say impossible. All right. So the last little thing on that eye, I haven't used fibers in my mascara. I can't even see that side like that. But I've just used the gel. So this is our 3D mascara, part 1, gel. So today, I don't think for this morning, I'm just going to the market, so I don't really need to be fiber lashing right now. But did you know, leave the lashes, leave the fibers off, and you've just got your regular mascara happening. Okay, so there's today's look. Addiction Palette 1, a little bit of eye primer, and some of our brush tools, which I got to say for me have made quite a lot of difference, being able to actually achieve the look using the tools. Anyway, have a great Saturday, and I look forward to talking to you again tomorrow.